You are watching Patalkot, the hidden world. Green and fine looking ranges of Satpura encircle the Chhindwara district in Madhya Pradesh. Chhindwara is not only known for oranges, cotton and coal, but its natural and scenic beauty also attracts everyone who comes here for the first time. Chhindwara district is separated into 4 forest zones. In all, Chhindwara is a complete forest district. Patalkot is positioned in the Tania block of the district. Patalkot is of great importance because of its geographical and scenic beauty. The Patalkot valley is spread over an area of 79 square kilometers at an average height of 2,750 to 3,250 feet above mean sea level. This is Patalkot Valley. The Patalkot Valley is located at a distance of 78 kilometers from Chhindwara in the northwest direction and 20 kilometers from Tania in the northeast direction. Dudhi river flows in the picturesque valley. There are total 12 villages and 13 hamlets with a total population of 2012. These villages are located at a distance of 2-3 kilometers each. Main villages of the valley are Rathed, Chimtipur, Gujja Dongri, Sahara Pachkul, Harra Kachhar, Sukha Bhan, Dhurni Malni, Jhiram, Palani Geldubba, Ghatlinga, Gudi Chhatri, Geldubba, Karyam and Dhana etc. Gonds and Bharyas are the main inhabitants of this gorge. This horseshoe-shaped valley is surrounded by giant hills and there are several pathways to reach the villages located inside the valley. The name Patalkot that comes from Sanskrit word Patal that means very deep. There is a belief that after worshipping Lord Shiva, Prince Meghnad had gone to Patallok through this place only. People say that kings ruled this place in 18th and 19th century and that there was a long tunnel connecting this place to Pachmadi in Hoshangabad district of Madhya Pradesh. Patalkot is a home to a tribal culture skilled at using the forest plants to make effective medicines. The Patalkot forest is so well hidden that people on the outside did not even know it ever existed. The modern world has been completely unaware of its existence. Now, there are increasing threats of deforestation and exploitation of the people there. The natives, Bharyas and Gonds who live there know how to collect and grow the plants they need for food, clothing and building their homes. They know the secrets of medicinal plants. Their special skill has been passed down every generation. More than 2,000 natives live in villages scattered throughout the forest. There is a great harmony among them, living in a comfortable balance, gladly helping each other, growing and collecting their own food. They are usually skilled at making pulps and extracts of plants for curing illness. They have medicinal treatments for many illnesses including measles, cholera, hypertension, diabetes, cough, snake bite and even pains. Patalkot was becoming famous for its treasure of medicinal plants. With the discovery Patalkot treasures, some other things began to happen. The natives are generous with their knowledge and offer their medicinal secrets with open hearts.